ever have those moments where where words fail you?
You have those moments all the time.
So do you.
Yeah, really bad. That's part of ADD.
Yeah, and the problem is when words fail you, sometimes people aren't there to mock you for it. However,
Oh, don't worry. You've always got me.
I know, but H20 Delirious, we watched one of his previous ones, and some of the stuff that he says is pretty silly. Because he's like, no, you got to get the machine missile. I mean, damn it.
You can tell he's one of those guys like me where his brain starts going faster than his mouth is willing to keep up with sometimes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. This is the guy that you told me is like he always has played with this shitty old microphone, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
His microphone sounds exactly the same. It's a shitty old microphone.
Yeah. You'll be able to tell which one is H2O because he sounds like he's got an old ass microphone.
Yeah.
Which makes me think about the dudes we were watching do the TikTok things, and it was just like fucking dangling there.
Yeah, the guy with his broken mic.
Good.
Yeah.
The whole
Well,
time.
I think I think he's still using. I think it's the old Rock Band microphone, USB microphone. You remember those?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No
you
way.
can use those. You can actually still use those.
Yeah.
As a microphone thing. So if we ever need those in for spares, I got you covered, homie. So
Oh dear.
I've read one of the things about starting a YouTube channel. They're like, make sure you have good audio because your fan base hates when you have bad audio.
As we can confirm.
Yeah.
yes.
And they will not let you forget about it.
No.
Even if there's nothing you can do,
Yes.
they will not let you forget about it.
No.
Bastards.
Hey now. So
Be nice.
Anyway.
Be nice. I know they're not always nice, but be nice.
Oh yeah. But anyway, we have the second H20 Delirious Misspeaking and Random Sounds compilation queued up here. Let's give it a watch.
Let's give it
See what
to
happens.
beep boops.
Yep. Let's see what happens. Okay. There we go.
Jump, Marcel.
That's him, all right.
Delirious went full Darude Sandstorm. Never go full Darude Sandstorm. Yeah, I got him. Guys.
What?
Never mind.
Okay, alright. Don't get me excited like that again, you piece of shit.
I thought we could do spectacular things, but we can't.
He making you look really dumb right now, Delirious.
Wait, I could have blown him away.
I could have blowed him. I could have blowed him away.
I'm good. I am but a gun.
I'm still chasing him!
You're not chasing anybody. Ow! I dropped fucking bubbles. Oh.
Oh, him in cartoons playing friggin' Battle Block Theater. Jesus.
I've never seen this game before.
It's pretty crazy.
You don't have a D.
I like the derpy living blocks that go back and forth.
It's done by the same people that did Castle Crashers.
Ah, that means I need to play this because I love Castle Crashers and Alien Hominid.
There's... What was the other game that they did?
We're so terrible. Have you caught those droids I asked you to caught?
Did you take that English class I sent you to?
God.
They're all sitting down.
Oh, I like it. Here. Let me get this one. Oh, I can't do it.
That was accurate.
It was nothing. Let me change.
God dang it, I can't do it.
I'm running. They know. So the rules are first ones to get into a pool win.
It was good old Fahnholz.
What the fuck was that? What the hell was that noise?
Pit People was the other game
Delirious
that they've done.
Will
Pit
he
People.
ever feel the wetness
Yeah.
of the water? Will he get
Oh, that man's not going to make it.
Oh,
no.
Can't swim. I'm going to take
Splat.
you to a theater near you. H2O Delirious jumps in a pool.
What a fucking lame ass
What a
movie.
boring movie. Fuck you guys. Car wash is blocked. Please come back later. Quit blocking the car wash.
Car wash.
Gosh.
Jesus.
Yes.
You blocking the car wash.
Alright, I'm going through the car wash. My shit nice and sparkly. Fuck out
Oh
of there.
no.
Get out of the wash machine.
Get out the wash machine.
Oh yeah, this is when they were doing the
Paging
car
Mr.
wash
Herman.
glitch.
Are you ready to fly? Because you're about
Ready.
to fly.
Oh, yeah.
Nah.
He could be in my ass. Check my ass, please.
My ass.
Oh, man.
Did he check his ass?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, God.
Oh, he was in his ass.
Oh, something's banging on our vent.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Something was banging on the vent in here. Don't worry about it.
Was it eventful?
It was.
Oh, I get it.
What the fuck? What the fuck? How'd y'all get that?
How'd y'all get that?
How'd you get that?
These fuckers stole them and ran.
It's just for me.
You guys like the movie Ice Age?
I'm right behind you. I'm just checking you out, man.
That's
You
what I
look
was trying to
good.
do, but
You're looking beautiful.
I see you.
Oh, I see you.
I'm so confused at the combination of games I'm seeing at one time right here.
Yep.
where are you guys?
So this is Michael's house from GTA 5, but he's holding a
Beside you.
gun from Half-Life.
Yeah, because it's all being done in Gmod.
Yeah.
No, please don't shit beside me. Just fucking tore open.
Get out of my damn health. Health.
Health. Get out of my damn health.
All right, well, okay.
Healthy.
This is the scenario.
The scenario? Alright, the scenario.
You have the last human egg on the planet.
What?
What?
We're in the future.
Human
Humans
egg.
lay eggs now, and I have the last one on my back.
I just saw a meteor. The end times is ending.
The end times is ending. Well, that's good. That's good. That means
Oh, it's-
the not end times are beginning.
yeah, I got it. I got it. Oh my gosh. Marcel, goodbye.
Oh, they're playing with Ninja. Oh shit.
That's your friend. You're like, you psycho. Bye, Marcel.
Run hell, asshole!
Donald and Blinton.
Oh dear. See, that's exactly what I keep expecting to happen in Red Dead 2, is just police cars.
Like, it sucks myself into myself and then spits myself out.
Sucks myself into myself. Wow.
Like some sort of horrifying grammar Ouroboros.
Oh, God. You hear that shit?
Oh, guys, I got a horse.
There's a guy on a...
It's a goat on a horse.
What are you talking about? The goat and the horse. I'm not. Oh. I can't do it. Where the hell are you guys at?
Delirious, this town ain't big enough for the two of us.
Oh, hey. He is chasing you.
Yeah, he is.
What the hell is that?
Marcel, come here, real quick.
Oh, damn it.
I had no idea you were there.
Get him. Got him.
Yeehaw!
Escape me with my horse. All right, guys, look at our asses. We all got sticks up our asses.
Yeehaw,
Gotta rob
motherfucker.
this bank, you see. Run! No! I got gold, man. I have gold.
Yeah.
Oh,
I got the gold. You guys aren't real sheriffs.
yes, I am. Do you see the badge?
I wanna. Okay, let me hear. Let me hear the horse. Let me hear the horse.
Dumbass.
Well,
But
Think there's something wrong with your horse.
yeah, I think it's a de-evolved goat or something.
I believe we might need a patch on this one. Those horse sounds appear to have been misappropriated.
Yeah. Yeah. Could you imagine like if that happened in Red Dead, like someone walked up to a certain horse and that horse looked at you and just went, "Hi there."
See,
And it would be like Mr. Ed.
I want just the one horse in the game. You just walk up to it and it just goes, "Nay."
Yeah. Or you walk up to it and it goes, "Moo."
It's like that cat that somebody said has an extremely low voice, and the cat actually sounds like meow.
So, in Terraria, there's a very, very slim chance that any duck you come across, instead of actually quacking like a duck, will simply say, quack.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Just dead-ass human voice. Quack. It's a nice touch.
The little things sometimes.
It's the little things.
Yeah.
I'd love to have like just in terms of randomness, like I'd like to hear that Nicolas Cage thing from that one movie where he's running down the street yelling,
I'm a vampire.
Yeah, but instead it's someone like riding by as a stranger on a horse in Red Dead. Like all of a sudden you just hear, I'm a vampire. I am a vampire.
You could do that with a lot of Nicolas Cage quotes that would be hilarious when they were out of context. Like, not the bees! Ah! Some guy just going full speed on a horse.
I want that cake. Just,
you want this cake? I want it. Actually, it's a husband and wife on a carriage.
They're chasing each other.
Yeah, I want that cake. You want this cake? I want that cake. You want, I want that cake.
You know the thing.
Yes.
Oh, thank God it's not just me.
Yeah, dude.
Pull it up right now.
Oh, God, are you serious?
Just to prove that we're not crazy.
Yeah, because I don't know what you're talking about for sure.
There it is. That's the one.
Harry Partridge, a long time ago.
Old times.
Yep.
Nicolas Cage wants cake.
Yep.
Hey, where's that chocolate cake? Hey, where's that chocolate cake? Hey, where's that chocolate cake? Hey, where's that chocolate cake?
Wait
Do you
for
want
it.
this chocolate cake?
That's my piece.
You want this cake?
I want it.
You want this cake?
I want it.
You want this cake?
I want it.
You want
I want that cake.
I want that cake.
You want this cake?
I want it.
You want this cake?
I want it.
We lead strange lives.
I was saving it because I
This
got
is very, very strange.
pre-cooked mini malls.
Oh, it just got stranger.
It's good.
Give me that cake.
Away. You want this cake?
I want it.
You want this cake?
I want it.
You want this cake?
I want it.
You want this cake? You want this cake?
Yeah, you don't ever see that coming.
You want this cake?
I want it.
You want this cake?
Oh wait, was that supposed to be like Chris Chan, I guess? Is this what that looked like?
It's posted in 2010.
Yep. I remember when it first came
It
out.
feels like that should be so much older.
Feels like my brain is running out of my ear. Am I good?
Yeah, you got a little something coming out of there.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get back in there.
That's an earwig.
Get back in there. Oh, God, that
No,
would be
dude,
horrifying.
it's an earwig. Get it out.
It's a baby cockroach. Ah!
Oh, God.
Good Lord Almighty.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah, I
God.
can't believe you had seen that too.
Dude, I saw that a long time ago. Before I met y'all.
Yeah.
Like, somebody recommended it to me, and I was just like, okay, what the hell?
I don't know how I saw that. But it's in there.
Life's strange, man. I remember the movie that's from, The Family Man.
Mm-hmm.
Tay Leone.
I remember that one.
I developed a massive crush on her when I first watched that movie. I was like 12 years old when I first watched that movie, and it was just like,
oh Lord,
damn.
Hormones.
Well, she's still a beautiful woman, although she did marry David Duchovny.
Oh.
Well, no, well, I wonder
Maybe she
if,
wanted
I
to
wonder
believe.
If whenever she came out of the bathroom, while coming to bed one night, David Duchovny was just like, do 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 do.
What are frogs? Lord.
I wonder if they ever role played as.
Stop that! You stop that, sir.
I'm sorry. And if they did, I wonder who initiated it. I wonder if she did. Oh god.
Well, as they say, the truth is out there.
Oh god. Okay.
I don't want to know the truth anymore.
Nope.
Okay.
I don't want to believe.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. So, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.